What the?
I'll edit that part out. Hey guys. No, right. Hey guys. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're back. Another video on PJ's channel. PJ will not be in this video. This is me, Jaya, Soraya, and Leasia.
Be careful.
And as you saw from the title, we're going to be making slime.
I know how annoying these things
She
can
thinks
be.
slime is good, but we're going to be making slime. So before we do this, Leasia, Soraya, do you think this slime is going to come out good or bad? Good. Leasia, do you think this slime's going to come out good or bad? Bad.
I think it's gonna come out good.
I'm nervous about your mom's situation.
So,
But I'm sure she'll do that.
let's go. First you need a bowl, a spoon for mixing,
You know I
you need glue. I'm just going to be using two bottles of glue, shaving cream, and detergent.
Just keep it.
So, while Leasia, I cut out the slime. I mean, the glue
Cut out
in
the
there.
slime.
Is everything okay?
How much? Just randomly eyeballing it?
Yeah. But really, it's just how much you want to make.
Eyeballing. Is that a lot? Oh, Jesus. What the?
Yeah, you're supposed to. Let's start for all of it. Really, it's just how much you want.
I want a lot.
I'm gonna try getting this one. Stop. Oh, and this is our first time making slime. Like, we've never done this before. Yeah. And then you do shaving cream. So. I'm gonna start from there. And just start mixing. And you just mix this until until you need a little bit more stuff to get the consistency of slime.
Consistency. Randy. Yeah, big spray.
Give me a little more.
So Trent discovered that she's rich with famous hospital, and he rejected her, and she writes a song butterflies
Oh,
on
perfect.
her.
That.
She'll perform it by a hospital.
Computer videos has a double life.
Exactly. But the crowd promises not to tell us.
So she goes back to her double life. But isn't that rather
Mhm.
contradictory?
It will take a while.
She
You
can't
have to
I
keep
use
on
my
mixing.
whipper hands.
Exactly.
Get the whipper. Yeah, peace.
Alright. So I think that's
I
it.
didn't want anything.
And then I'm actually detergent.
Like when I was little.
Normally in the slime videos they use Staffa, but we don't have that. So I'm just gonna use Tide.
I noticed you cut your hair.
Oh my gosh, I don't know
So
what
much
it's in.
prettier when you were younger. The teachers
But-
always complimented
I
you.
don't want to hear you talk about me.
You're so
Pickle
cute.
plant.
Oh yeah, yeah, this is definitely gonna
Any idea how much therapy I've gone through to get over it?
I
Do you realize I've never had one healthy relationship in my entire life?
Oh yeah, this is definitely coming out good, as you can see. Like,
Driver, when you put that in the way,
it's not in your way, okay?
Doesn't
It's
matter.
just here. Just let me start the
I know what
show.
you're capable of. My mom loves an innocent child go through
So
that.
this is going really
Oh, and one
well,
more
like,
thing.
really
Don't
well.
turn up at my son's school anymore.
And since we don't have like the proper things, like you also, instead of that, you also need like contact solution. We don't have that
Just
either.
stop pretending that
So this might be a fail, but then again, you can always make the slime for the first time. Fail.
a big one.
Hopefully this will turn into a fail.
I'll have a judge lock you up.
And these all are blue.
How can you
Well, most of
my
them are
country
blue.
alone?
Yeah.
So we gotta keep on mixing this. But this is going so good.
Please, please, don't.
Those don't eat slime.
Yeah. Don't eat slime.
It's not slime. You'll be sick. You don't touch me.
Don't eat slime. That's caution.
Why did you
This slime may not be perfect.
memory of you?
That's a red thing. This is coming out so good. Like, I want to say perfect, but I feel like that's just gonna jinx it. This is so much hurt. It just hurts your hand. No. Really, if you use this kind of detergent, if it's blue like this one, it will automatically add color to it. Just make it blue. You don't even have to buy the color. But if you want like a different color,
I want it to be lemon.
don't use a colorful detergent, because that's just gonna mix up the color.
Choo-choo. No, I want lemon.
You can't make it yellow. That soap is not for this. The soap is for a different one. So yeah. I also saw this method earlier, so just wait.
I don't want it. Lemon, just stick.
Oh, this is so short.
Use your hand.
Not yet. I don't use it yet.
I want to read my hand.
Yes. I just wanted to hear your voice. What is it? Nothing. I just want you to know that.
Oh, we're sure like. How do I
Something
get
bad
this
should
down?
happen. You can count
Oh yeah,
on
this
me.
is. Oh, okay.
Listen, if you want.
So now you just go on with your hands, like
Wait,
mix it up.
where's this going?
Oh, it's okay. I know what you're doing.
That looks awesome. You make your own slime?
That crazy lady. You can make your own roll of slime.
For real?
Mom told me your daughter got
This
young.
is like so much food right now. Alright, I'm just gonna separate this.
That's not true.
Don't let it touch your skin, clothes. Well, it can touch your skin, but don't let it touch your clothes or anything.
Liar.
Yeah, don't use too much of that, because that's not only for this. If you gotta use that too much.
It's not true. You're making
Try
it
to
up.
make it not
I'm
sticky.
not.
And keep it up here. Pick up my hair, hurry up. You gotta get dirty with it.
I'm not saying that Mama doesn't love you. Tomorrow we're going to the peace ceremony. And you make your hair.
Stick on my hand.
Don't let it touch the paper.
What if Mom calls?
Take it. You gotta grab it, okay? You just keep mixing it all the time. Like fold it. Just hold it. Okay? Keep on folding. And then eventually.
I'm gonna feel like
Now, since this is almost done, like since this is so close to be done,
Listen how good.
just fold it like this. Look, you stretch, not too far. Look, Rara.
Ended it.
You stretch, fold,
It has a little brush.
stretch,
And you can
fold,
put it like this.
stretch, fold,
That's it.
and fold. Okay.
This way.
It all seems so perfect.
Okay, Lakers, you can't do this right now.
I already have a son, Claudia.
Stop touching it. Stop touching it. Okay.
Jerk.
Stop. Okay, now you got monster. Just
Julie.
chill out, alright? You messing this whole thing up. That's what's messing it up. If you keep touching the paper, I told you not to let me touch the paper. But that don't mean I gotta touch the paper. Don't put it on the paper. It's not supposed to go on the paper. Gosh. Give me here.
Love to have a baby. And have no trouble taking care of it.
Me, you is not letting this work out for you. You don't want it to. That's what's happening. You tell me if you're
You're
failing.
doing so much for Julie.
Who's failing
So
now?
great to have nice people like you in our building.
Go to the washing.
Have you seen Nick's assistant?
No. Lazy. She not doing this. Get your hands off the table.
Anyway, oh look. I'm so tired. Julie!
So this is so
Julie?
still so good, right? I'm amazed.
Julie? Samuel! Julie? Where are you? Julie? What are you doing?
It's already turning blue because
Get
of
out
the
there.
detergent. Okay, stop. If you're gonna do that, leave it alone.
And
Just take it off by yourself. Oh my god, okay. This is like so sticky right now. I'm just gonna leave the rest of this in this bowl for a little bit. Cause like, I can't do this right now. There's so much.
there you are. This goes present for Julie.
This is, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, stick them out.
Okay, I
Oh.
shouldn't get it out. If you're gonna get on here, chill.
See now.
Alright, go wash your hands. Both of you go wash your hands. Stop, for real. Like, chill out. You're never being in a video again. You're not touching the slime. Stop. Go wash your hands now.
What's that smell?
Yes. You're not using the, or you're not using the slime. I'm just gonna stir this, but like, I really don't feel like touching this anymore.
Why is yours so sticky? Mine's.
I'm giving you this. Now that you've
Oh,
learned
okay.
I know you do an amazing job.
Why is y'all sticky?
I don't know, man.
Just asking a question.
Well, that's twice. Three times.
Because you didn't answer me.
I did. I said I made it.
Really?
Like, it's like in all of my hands.
Well, you make a wish, you grant butterflies freedom, the wish will lead pain to the heavens and come true.
Okay.
Well, you have it for real?
I don't really know if I'm supposed to do this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more sharing.
In a sense, it can make any sound, the wish won't be revealed.
I feel like I'm a mess
The
up.
Great Spirit will be thankful for these great butterflies.
I wish I had a brother.
Oh, she didn't do so much. I have to touch it.
Do you think it'll still work?
Let us see.
Hey, Julie.
Honestly,
Hi, Mom.
Oh, you made a new friend. Are you Claudia?
I'm trying to keep this slime strong, but it's
It was
killing
much
me.
happier than before. But what?
Maybe we'll make more slime videos in the past. Oh, in the future. Like, you know, have a slime challenge. Maybe make galaxy slime,
I don't want you in here.
crunchy slime. Maybe like a whole bunch of slimes.
Stop! That's what you've done.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah, that's what this is. This is fluffy slime, by the way.
Go ahead, wash your hands.
How let me help you?
You want to make an arch slime?
Y'all gonna get some of this later.
Oh my god.
You said
Is it the other one?
Oh, he's slime Girl, chill out, alright? You have to edit all this out.
Where could it be?
Stop talking, okay?
Yes, I'm putting it back.
Well, it looks like one of them is gone. The other one is washing their hands. So,
I had laughed at that.
this is just
Why is it
Before I died, my mother told me the truth.
here?
I've never been able to have a
Oh
lasting
no, yours is worse
relationship.
than mine.
Even
Yours
William,
is
It's huge.
I'm not over it. I don't know if it's even possible. I'm so
This is
sorry.
like hurting.
Mine's huge.
And I can't tell you
I ain't
how
think
much
we're gonna be this
appreciate you
big.
sharing this with me.
Whatever you gotta do is
You're
make
taking
sure
my
it stays
number and
contained.
call me
I
immediately.
know. I have a bucket
If
for
anything
that.
happens with my brother.
This one is good.
Tiny out.
Well,
Face.
yeah, too good. But you.
It's heavy. Oh my god.
Did she do anything bad to you?
Who?
Anne.
No. We had a good time.
Okay, well, we're not gonna see her anymore. You understand?
Mine's really fluffy.
Because she's wicked.
I know. I told her she keeps the girl in the room.
No, Julie, this is serious. You can't see her anymore. Do you
This is
understand?
so much. Like,
Well,
like, why is this so
Well,
much?
Mine's compared to yours.
You.
Like, way better.
If you don't want to be in this video, stop talking. Like, you can come over here. No, let's promo you. And be like, can we have next time?
Hello, William? Is your mom there?
No, she's not.
Okay, just want to call Claudia as soon as
Can I do
possible.
that?
Will you?
Mhm.
Okay.
And like right now, there's another slime making. It's by somebody else. But yeah. I don't really know if they want to say the name or not. It's by Taya. It is another one of my sisters. Like, if you mean another one, if you're like asking another one of your sisters, yeah, Leah and Soraya are my sisters. You probably already know that.
How dare you? How
Most
dare
of
you?
you already know
I
that.
gave you my Julie to look after, and what did you do? Turn her against
And
me.
the other
You
slime
fucking
we're
her
doing
lie
right now,
back to
so
that daughter. Good God, nothing
we are
happened.
having a
That's what you
contest
thought I was.
actually right now of whose slime
Who
can come
are
out
you?
first.
Well, just stay
And
away
right
from my
now, I'm
daughter.
hoping
You
it's
were very
mine.
interested in Julie's life. You were too busy flirting with men. When have you
She'll
learned to
probably
love her?
show you
I'm the
hers,
one
but
who
like
takes
not
care
show
of
her
her. I'm the
face.
one who cares for her. You'll never
Yeah. Look like
Don't
mine
tell me
coming
how to
together
look
really
after
well.
my daughter.
Yeah, mine coming together really well right now. I'm about to edit so much of this because this is taking forever.
Mine? Mine's huge.
Like, it's hurting my arm just, like, trying to make this go right is hurting my arm.
Imagine making a giant one.
I've seen a video like that. She could not do that. She has, like, this huge bucket. She was just, like trying to mix it and everything.
Anybody gonna camp part to be with you later?
Yeah. Oh, that
Do you
yellow.
like it?
It's beautiful. I'll put it
I don't have to edit a whole bunch of
Mine's
this.
really fluffy, and yours like really shiny.
Who changed my ringtone to something totally?
When I go to homework.
Tell me I'm just another one.
Yeah,
You better change my tone.
It just doesn't
I don't know
feel
how to
like
do that.
I don't know how to do that
Let
either.
go of my arm
I
and
tried to
leave.
find
I
out how
tried
to
to do
do
it
it.
on my phone, but I can't find the button.
You're here protecting your vulgar knowledge, you little slut. That thing at the mall. It wasn't an accident. You set me
Can I
up so we get to
please
know one
for your
another.
song?
You entered my life for money.
Huh? Can I please for your song?
What's those done? Like, this is
Mine's light and yours dark. How much did you put in there?
not much.
I didn't put a lot in there.
I put it in twice, but I
Me
didn't
too.
put a lot in. Oh, my arm is so dying right now. Can you stop dying, please?
I'll pay you double.
But this is so heavy.
Pour it.
Oh, this is working right here. It's just doing this. It's just going all over.
I'm moving out of state. I'm going to live with my uncle. Goodbye, Anne.
Give him a butterfly to pin to keep as a memory.
One's
Just
a
this one
fluffy.
last time, do you understand?
I want to sell this at school. You be like, you want to support? I got $2
Oh, I
for a
had
big
this in the
thumb
house.
slime. No, $3 for a big thumb slime.
Oh my god, this is coming out so well.
Brain.
It's the thing that goes at the beginning.
Yeah.
I have to do that. And then when we were talking, when I said, and when I said, and like she was holding me like that, that's gonna be at the end, like the room forever.
Will you go to the bar?
And I'm gonna caption it.
Will you tell everyone that I'm
Me
your
and my
mom?
sister just talking about nothing.
This is my little girl.
Just put the arm on.
Just downward. I'm not mixing this entire time, and it's like extra
Your
boring.
names are Chrissy and Biffy. Yes.
How do you make this not sticky?
You see?
So that's making it more sticky. I know that for a fact.
See this?
Look. Actually,
Yeah.
you want to touch it?
No? I'm not
I
about to
have
mix
two
this up.
girls.
It's yours. I feel like I need more stuff, but I don't know what it is.
Yours looking.
I'm not staff bro. I'm thinking about that video.
Cause yours look way different than what I look.
Yeah.
So, I feel like
This is more clean. Mine is a more like you know the baby shower, like you know how in the baby showers they have like one of the boys put this kind of color blue. That's what mine was. This idea actually came from I was watching you may not know her Karina Garcia video, and I thought how cool of it was how cool would it be to make porn? So that's where this idea came from actually.
Let's face it.
that's on me.
You need all this money?
Huh?
I really need all the love you need. Who else? Oh, well, it's just a naked prostitution. Yes.
I like
If you
it.
need gas, you have rights to your body parts and your specimens.
Yeah, like their channel will be in the description.
It never happened with me.
Later on,
I would never.
I will be making a different kind of slime. It's like I saw for this video, this girl, she put soap in a little container. She mixed it up and what was it? And I'm also gonna be making another one. I almost forgot. Shampoo slime. Well, actually, no, I'm just kidding. That did not come out. All the videos saw no, came out. But Dollar General. Yeah, I'll buy two more. I'll buy two more because I needed 4 glues. And you let me buy 2. Stop and then you can buy me 2 more. I can work the same exact store. We had to walk all the way to Dollar General.
Y'all had to walk.
Yeah, me and
While we
Mimi.
was asleep.
Me and Mimi
Y'all
walked.
left me in the house sleep.
Fifi was still there. Fifi, Rara, and Lily were still there. Me and Mimi walked all the way to Dollar General. Hot. The first time, Fifi drove us to Dollar General.
This smell is killing me.
You killing me, Smalls? Or you killing me, big chocolate thing? Listen to Smalls. I'm about to edit so much. Like, dang. I'm about to go through this entire video and just edit. I might post this tomorrow then.
You took a picture of my slime on Instagram.
Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to do. So I can be in the photo with you. Be like, I'm gonna make a video. Let me test this. Be like,
Those satisfying. satisfying videos.
Oh yeah, that's why I forgot I was gonna do that. It was about to be the caption was gonna be those boring satisfying those boring but satisfying videos on Instagram and YouTube, and then I'm just gonna be playing with them. And I'm
That's all
and
they're
I'ma
doing
pop
with it
down.
is playing with the slime.
I know, and I'm gonna pop down and be like, gotcha! I'm just kidding. I'm like, just kidding. This is not one of those videos. Like, or I might just record that clip of him saying gotcha. The video has been 26 minutes. Like that. Now I gotta, oh my gosh. I gotta have that. Mine is way better, like.
For you, Ma.
Mine isn't done yet. Okay, after you're done doing this.
I use the whole thing of blue. How about you?
Yeah, I use those two things.
But mine's still like, yeah.
You only use one container, one bottle? Tim? Answer me.
Well, Mommy's here too.
What's wrong with you? Are you deaf? Tim, you only use one container?
Yes, well, Mommy. Yes.
Honest answer or lie? No. So I thought you needed the other one for that.
No. The new slime is that. I watched a video and it was like they like have that and then they put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. I feel like it's not gonna work, but I don't care. I'm still gonna try it just for this. Like in a quick slime vid, pour some in there, I'm waiting a little bit, and then you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Look, you know how they do like that? I hate that popping sound it makes when they take it off.
Yes. Oh,
That sound is so annoying.
Grandma, try that.
I'd be like, shut up. Like, who turned it on? And then I'd be like, oh,
Mine's not working. It just gets stuck to my fingers.
Mine's so good.
I push mine all the way in there.
Yeah, you gotta do like halfway.
Mine's doing it. Because mine's really fluffy.
I didn't even keep on folding like they were doing. Just go like pop, pop, pop.
And then they do this like this one where they fold one side and then fold the other
Yeah,
side.
that's what I'm doing.
Do that side. And then they stick their finger in it.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Good work today.
Mine's all the way
I'm about to
good.
make this the most professional video ever. Ever.
You
They
got
were
it.
like, is she a YouTuber? I was like, this is dumb.
Did Julie's mother call?
Yeah.
But not only am I in these videos, like I'm a YouTuber, I also edit these videos, baby. So like, yeah, I'm a two threat. I'm a double threat. I said two threat. That's just make me up.
I'm gonna make a smile.
What's going on?
I'm just stabbing this thing with my fingers like this and then folding it.
I'm trying to get all this rest of this excess slime off my finger. People with slime at school, they don't be like this. Because theirs be like really, really sticky, like super duper sticky. So they don't be like this. Theirs don't feel like this fluffiness.
I don't know when you put it away. Are you supposed to just let it sit out? Or you put it in the fridge?
What?
The slime when you're done with it. Cause like the YouTubers, they be like saying like one of them they did a Q&A. Somebody asked, where do you put your slime with after you make it? And then she said, I put it in a container and store it away. Like where do you store it? Do you just like store it away like in a cabinet or something, or do you put it in the fridge so it can still say like hard.
I want to DM because Karina Garcia had asked me.
Stay out of my room.
She's not gonna answer. No.
Huh?
She's not gonna answer.
She said sometimes the YouTubers they be answering.
I did it too, Rebecca's in my life. Rebecca.
What you say?
The lid is watching house.
Alright.
What you say?
I said, hey Rebecca, I said, I really love I just said love her, like, I said I really love her video. And I was just wondering how, like, no, I don't know. I was wondering how it was you and how you and Matt, oh my god, how you and Matt, it was like, do something.
Rebecca's a little rude.
She's like a nice person on camera though. When you DM her, she doesn't even want to answer you. It's like, I thought you were.
Alright, listen. I'm gonna do it.
I know for a fact Lily Paul is rude when it comes to dating. That's why I don't want to do it to her. She just comes to the gym. And then like, don't ever text me again. I mean, don't ever talk to me again. Ooh. Don't even start. Don't even start.
You hear mine?
Why not do it?
We got that lucky smile. Lucky smile. Lucky smile.
I'm gonna go out and edit some of 31 minutes. Bruh, 32. Well, every time I look at the clock, it just became another minute. So much to edit, baby, so much.
I hope you know anybody gonna watch no 32 minutes.
I know, that's why I gotta edit it. I gotta make it short. I gotta cut out all the parts where I'm just mixing it, talking to you. It's like they don't really care about me mixing it. They don't really care. That's the illusion of YouTube. They make it look like, oh yeah, we gotta make a thumbnail. Like, we gotta hold up this one. I saw that on the regular. She made a live, she did it live. She made something live, and then it was like, she has to do the thumbnail. So I was like,
Extra.
I need Laser Raw for it too. I need Fifi for it, I need you for it.
I ain't being
You don't have to. You can be on the side, just be like, Laser Raw, I can hold your sign for you. No, they're not.
I got a bubble.
I got a bubble. Actually, that. I think mine is done. I don't know. I want to keep on mixing it. It's fun.
I know definitely mine is a little sticky because, you know, I ain't put a lot of detergent.
But I had no faith in this at the beginning. Like, I thought, because we don't have contact solution. This is supposed to be staff level, but I didn't see it. So, we just bought that one.
You don't need you don't need context solution.
Yeah, all the slimes for fluffy slime, use it.
Sometimes you don't need it.
I know, but I thought it wasn't gonna work. And I didn't have every single YouTuber that I see that makes slime use staff flow. So I thought, like, you had to use staff flow. But it made me like that one, so I was like, please work. And then, so I did that test run with him. And I was like, it works, baby, it works. I was so surprised.
I don't know why I keep doing this. I think it's because it feels so real dry.
That's why you're supposed to be able to hear it.
I want mine to be extra fluffy. Because this fluffiness is not milk.
It's waxy, like, ew. Oh, okay,
I love this feel.
now this is slimy. When you just put it in your hand and then you start mixing it, it's slimy. Try it. Okay. Take this off your hand, put it in there, and then start mixing.
You know what you do with your hands, right? That's what I did.
But I don't mix it. finding this. The most related video in the world. I'm glad I found it.
Put on some Cardi B. Excuse me.
It's not sticking in mine.
I told you. The magic of, I almost said whipped cream and I almost said sour cream.
Sour cream, bro. This is nothing like that.
See, now yours is kind of looking like mine. It's not all.
Mine more blue.
Yeah.
Why so white?
I told you I put a lot of, at first I put a lot of this and then I barely put any of that in.
Mine is pretty much done. Oh, you hear that? Hey.
That's what y'all should do.
I'm so, I hate this. She's supposed to focus.
Ooh, it do feel slimy when you put.
See, when you like touch on your hands first, it's just like so. Like when you do it, it's just.
I almost said sour cream again. This shaving cream, it makes it not stick to your bone when you put it. But it is slippery very much. Now I don't feel like shaving cream, I feel like nothing else. Mine's not broken too. And it's not sticky either. Oh my god. I need to put a whole lot of drugs in it.
You want just to be blue, huh? Blue,
I don't want to be blue.
I need a little more, just a little bit more. Not too much.
Girl, feel my feel my slime. Feel how fluffy it is.
Right, it is.
I'll tell you, I didn't have to see film with this. Go get on the table.
It's not gonna get on the table. I'm blue, ba-ba-dee, ba-doo, ba-ba-doo.
I like his smile.
Like, I just totally went in with my hands.
I'm telling you, mine's really fluffy.
I just put shaving cream in my hands.
They wish
their
they,
slime was like ours.
y'all wish y'all slime is this fluffy. Look at that. Look at that.
Like when you, that's how you want your hair to be fluffy, beautiful, volume, baby, volume, but still nice enough to just hang down. Let it whip in the wind.
Listen.
Really. Let me feel yours. See, yours don't feel like this. Mine's the bomb. Mine's
I'm gonna
fluffy.
put like thousands of pounds of shaving cream on yours. I want it to be nice.
I want mine to be fluffy, girl.
Let's put it on my hands. Put on your hands first. That'd be better. Put on shaving cream in here and then mix it. Much better.
Put up some Cardi B, like
Cardi B.
Bodak Yellow. Some little. Okay. If you wanted to, these is red bottle, these is good shoes. Hit the stove, I can't get enough. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut it off so don't get comfortable. I don't dance now, I make money move. Said I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you, I don't speak. That means I don't look at you. I'm a boss, you're a worker.
It's fluffy, girl. It's finally fluffy like yours.
But mine's a little bit fluffy.
I wish I had a mix.
It's like when you make it really fluffy, it don't stick to your hand no more. So cute. Fuck, I love you too. Cardi B. Bodak Yellow on the beat.
Black yellow on the feet.
Y'all got any candy, Jay? In the gas, I guess?
Y'all just did everything dirty. Y'all did her dirty.
Thank you for some little.
I'm not asking for nothing. Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't lie. We ain't asking
Mine's
for
not even
shit.
sticking to my hand no more, bro. Look at that.
Nah, mine ain't either.
Look, mine's come right off. Look.
But I bet my table,
It's like
my table better be clear to the max.
it is.
Play them games if you want to. Play them games if you want to. My table better be so clear because
Take
I
that off
don't
your
want to be
hand, that's
both
mine.
of you.
They got my thing in it.
Alright.
I want to.
And I'm quick, cause I said we'll get cut.
I'll sing this thing. I mean, bang, bang, bang.
Yeah, I don't got a damn.
Bro, 41 minutes.
I'm just doing this.
But I'm gonna keep going just in case I catch something like
Oh, God.
that.
We are here in Porto, Portugal.
We're travel bloggers, which means we travel the
You
world.
gotta be jamming some Cardi B.
And this time, we wanted to know if we have anything in common at all. My great-grandfather is from...
What
Stop
happened?
touching that before you have to wash your hands again. Get away.
Figure out where he is. My
Get away from me.
my theories, plans of DNA could be part of the reason why we want to spend 99% of our time together.
You've never actually...
Mine's fluffy.
I want more, like more and more and more.
I'm talking to you. It's like when you first put a lot on it. At
No, I feel
first,
like it's gonna make it better. Like I just want it to be perfect.
at first when I was
What the?
I'll just edit that part out. Hey guys. No, Rara. Hey guys.
hey guys,
We're back. Another video on PJ's channel. PJ will not be in this video. This is me, Jaya, Soraya, and Leasia.
Be careful.
And as you saw from the title, we're gonna be making slime.
I know how annoying these things
She
can
thinks
be.
slime is gas, but we're gonna be making slime. So before we do this, Leasia, Soraya, do you think this slime is gonna come out good or bad? Good. Leasia, do you think this slime's gonna come out good or bad?
I think it's gonna come out good.
I'm nervous about your mom's
Same.
situation.
So
But I'm sure she'll be back.
let's go. First you need a bowl, a spoon for mixing.
You know I
You need glue. I'm just gonna be using two bottles of glue, shaving cream, and detergent.
just keep
So, Rara, let me cut out the slime. I mean, the glue
Cut out
in
the
there.
slime.
Is everything okay?
How much? Just randomly eyeballing it?
Yeah. But really, it's just how much you want to make.
eyeballing.
Is that a lot? Oh, Jesus. What the?
Yeah, you're supposed to. Let's start to all of it. Really, it's just how much you want.
I'm on a lot.
I'm gonna try to get it. Stop. Oh, and this is our first time making slime. Like, we've never done this before. Yeah. And then you use shaving cream. So I'm gonna start from there. And just start mixing. And you just mix this until until you need a little bit more stuff to get the consistency of slime.
Consistency. Really? Big spray.
Trying to one up me. You have a one of me, but guess who's fluffier? Cuckoo.
Oh, that's funky.
More pick up.
Fifi, my slime is so fluffy. Well, that's my favorite. That's my
That's my
favorite.
favorite song.
What?
That's my favorite song.
That's my favorite
What?
Red bars.
favorite song.
Pick up, pick up, pick up.
My fluffier than yours.
Oh, who's now? Shiny tip. Listen. It's your favorite song. I'm that person that like if I say that's my favorite song, people will be like, girl, I thought that was your favorite song and that was your favorite song. And I'm like, they are my favorite songs. I'm that person.
Me too. I be having like 50 favorite songs.
Yeah, I can choose. It's so hard. Like I have a favorite in hip hop, R&B, not country. I hate country. Hey, Alright, so I think mine is done. Pretty much like really fluffy, like
You a lie.
I'm trying to do I never start. Yeah, so I think mine is fluffy enough, it's done now. It's really blue from the detergent. It's like really fluffy. Like you can go ahead and call this YouTube slime better than Instagram slime. Like, go ahead, 'cause this is and that, that's not gonna pull up this video actually. No, I just keep playing.
That's my jam.
Put on lit. Looking only you get hit. With the
Okay, I have a small bowl. I saw this on YouTube too. I'm gonna try this out.
Quarter lit.
I can't really remember.
Wow.
So you put soap
She said run up in it.
in here. Hello, what
I didn't know what I was doing.
Mine's really fluffy.
Let me see.
And stir it.
Mine's fluffier
How you get
than
some
yours.
sticky out?
You just take a slime and go like that.
Take your son. Oh,
I'm gonna use the bottom of this to stir it up.
Yeah.
Ah.
And they said microwave this for 30 seconds.
A quarter lit. Run up on me, you get hit. What the God. Oh, Look at quarter lit. She said run up in it. Run up in it. In my clip. What? Hold on. Let me get this off my hand. Yeah, the pleasure from me.
thought it was good. Me either, but I like it. Okay, y'all cook this round. Now it's getting nasty. Got your bag for your swine. You want this?
Huh? That's not mine. That's my rice.
Give my goddamn thing on top of you like you weird. Yeah. Yeah.
See?
You don't saw that carrot, Sean?
With the looking like a quarter lit. Looking like a quarter lit. Looking. Where's the? Somebody took my charger on my bed.
I see my keys.
Your keys?
Where's that tail?
Over there. Then look.
I know Brenda don't look for that. That's a lady type. Yeah.
Yeah, that's also my charger. Just use it.
Girl. She's not a lady, but it's something like that. Just want to sleep all day.
Don't you talking about 40 like this?
Niggas don't sleep all day in this country. She got the biggest pork chops in there.
Wait, roast of me. That's all you gave me good for 6 months now. Well, we're talking about 40 like that. 40. And then my little messy friend go back and repeat what she just said. Ooh, I don't remember.
Best chops in Texas.
It remind me of so many people
Ah.
that say run up, spend them.
Well, it's done.
And
And this was a fail.
washing some dishes.
I thought it would work. It worked
I
in the
wash
video.
some mother dishes. Oh.
Actually,
My house.
yeah, this is a complete fail.
You wash that house.
So I took a
Do this
side.
real quick. You got it.
Okay, I got mine. Big and luscious.
And mine's big and fluffy.
Scratch pad. I get that shit off there.
So that one,
What you call mine?
that one was a complete fail. Complete forever.
Look at me. We gonna be forever.
So we're gonna go back to this one and yeah. So this is what the slime looks like. Yeah. And then this is the second one that my sister made. This was hers. This one is Annabelle cooking. Mine's not. So I'm chosen the winner. Hers is more like I'm almost through. But yeah, and she got the little plant sauce in it. Yeah. This is hers. So I think I'm the winner. I'm pretty sure I'm the winner.
You a lot. Mine's fluffy. And big.
I want to be too YouTuber-ish to like not a YouTuber. But I really don't want to say this, but I have to. Comment down who won. My slime, sister slime. Oh, so YouTubers. I hate that.
See, mine don't even stick to your hand.
This is very stick to mine.
Because your hand,
Mine don't stick. Yeah, mine don't stick. I don't know though, yours in my hand, but they got some beef. But yeah, that's the video. And I guess that's it. No one else is in here. Turtle Tank. Bye.